Are you losing sales because your shipping costs are confusing or worse, wrong? In 2026, smart WooCommerce stores are using table rate shipping plugins to boost conversions, and today I'll show you the best ones. If you run a WooCommerce store, shipping is not just logistics, it's profit strategy. And these plugins let you control shipping based on weight, price, location, and much more. First up, one of the most powerful plugins, Flexible Shipping Pro by Octolize. It lets you create advanced shipping rules based on weight, cart total, quantity, and product type. It supports conditional logic, user roles, shipping classes, and even date-based rules. You can also hide or show shipping methods dynamically based on conditions. This is perfect if your store has complex shipping needs. Next is the official WooCommerce Table Rate Shipping plugin. Built by WooCommerce itself, it allows you to define shipping rates based on conditions like weight, price, and item count. It works natively with WooCommerce shipping zones. This is best if you want a reliable and official solution without too much complexity. Third on the list is AcaWeb's Table Rate Shipping plugin. It supports multiple rules and conditions for shipping calculation. It helps create flexible pricing strategies for different products or regions, and it's designed to simplify shipping logic for store owners. A good balance between flexibility and ease of use. Last but not least is Custom Shipping Methods for WooCommerce. It lets you create fully custom shipping rules, ideal for stores needing custom logic beyond standard setups. It gives more control over how shipping methods are displayed, best for advanced users who want full control.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.